we got hit by a blizzard. And look, we gotta check this out. The door doesn't even open all the way. Yo. Look, snow everywhere, bro. Oh my god. Look, bro. Watch this. Like, and freaking knee-deep snow, bro. Oh my god. Yo, it's insane. Ha ha. I'm freezing out. And that's my car. I got a bunch of snow and icicles on it. I don't even think this thing still starts up, but like, Jesus. I think some guys like blowing the snow, but like, whoo, there's a lot of snow. I don't even know if I can do all this. Blizzard. Yo, but look at this, bro. Like, deep snow. Anyways, I'm gonna go back inside.